In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the owner name in Google Drive. Whether you're sharing a document for collaboration or simply prefer to keep things private, these steps will guide you through a straightforward process to ensure your name remains unseen. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. If you're not already logged in, be sure to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're inside, take a moment to locate the file you intend to share. This could be a document, spreadsheet, or any other type of file that you've uploaded to your drive. Now, once you've found the file, right-click on it with your mouse. A menu should appear, presenting you with a host of options related to the file. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Share. This will open the sharing settings for your file. In the sharing settings window, you'll see a few different options. What you want to do here is change the sharing settings to anyone with the link. This particular setting allows anyone who has the link to view the file without necessarily seeing the owner's details. Once you've made this selection, go ahead and copy the link provided. This is crucial for the next steps where we'll make some key adjustments. Next, open a fresh tab in your browser and paste the link you've just copied into the address bar. But we're not done yet. There's a small tweak we need to make to this link to ensure your ownership isn't revealed. Look for the part of the link that comes after the final /. You'll want to delete all of this text. Once it's cleared, simply type the word copy instead. By doing this, you're altering the function of the link. Now, when someone else opens this link, they'll be greeted with a prompt asking them to make a copy of the file. This action effectively hides your ownership as the file is duplicated in their own Google Drive account rather than accessing the original. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can share your Google Drive files with others while maintaining privacy regarding ownership details. It's a neat trick that allows you to be in control while ensuring a smooth sharing experience for your collaborators. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.